Welcome back to Moto Market Explorer, your daily source for real classic motorcycles for sale across America. Let's dive straight into today's lineup. One 1954 Harley-Davidson 165, $6,950, Hickory, North Carolina. This beautifully restored 1954 Harley-Davidson 165 is a true piece of Harley history, built during the brand's 50th anniversary year. The seller describes it as a 100% professional restoration, rebuilt down to every correct nut and bolt. It has spent the last 15 years displayed indoors, making it one of the cleanest surviving examples anywhere. This compact two-stroke single is perfect as a conversation piece for a bar, business, showroom, or home garage, thanks to its small footprint and striking vintage styling. For collectors who value originality and immaculate detail, this is a rare opportunity to own a 1950s Harley that looks like it just rolled out of the crate. Two 1981 Honda Goldwing GL 1100, $3,500, Orlando, Florida. Here's a classic tourer with shockingly low miles, just over 10,000 on a 44-year-old machine. The 1981 GL 1100 is known for its bulletproof flat-4 engine, ultra-smooth ride, and early long-distance touring comfort. This example comes with a bike cover and a new maintenance jack, making it ready for both storage and weekend road use. It's listed in good condition, and the seller is even open to trades for newer Honda or Toyota compact cars. For riders wanting a dependable vintage touring machine without premium collector pricing, this Goldwing is a serious bargain. Three 1988 BMW K75S, $3,900, Norcross, Georgia. The BMW K-Series flying bricks have earned a reputation for being some of the most reliable motorcycles ever built, and this K75S is a perfect example of that legacy. With 53,000 miles, barely middle age for a BMW triple, it remains fully functional and reportedly rides like new. Upgrades include a performance rear shock, Corbin leather seat, fog lights, throttle assist, and factory BMW hardbags. These bikes are smooth, efficient, comfortable, and increasingly collectible as vintage sport tours. This is a turnkey classic, ideal for commuting, long rides, or adding to a growing BMW collection. Four 1979 Suzuki GS850, $4,000, Gwin, Alabama. The GS850 is one of Suzuki's most respected four-cylinder classics, known for durability and strong mid-range power. This example comes with a long list of custom cafe-style modifications. It features RFY rear shocks, both long and short sets included, Murray's carburetors with the original carbs still available, an aftermarket seat, LED lighting, and a custom rear fender. With fresh oil and a number of upgraded components, it's a fun retro project for riders who enjoy personalizing their machines. A solid classic platform with lots of potential. Five, 1969 Triumph Bonneville 650 Bobber, $3,800, Hamilton, Alabama. This custom-built '69 Bonneville Bobber delivers classic British styling with a rugged, old-school attitude. The seller has added new lighting, fresh seals and bearings, a custom sissy bar, and hand-tooled leather seating. The engine starts after a few kicks and has strong compression, typical of the torquey Bonneville twins of the era. It's kickstart only, and the tires are older but still hold air. It also comes with spare coils and carburetors, making it an appealing project for Triumph enthusiasts. With a bill of sale, this is a raw, stripped-down British bobber ready for a rider who loves vintage charm. 6. 1983 Yamaha RX-50 Midnight Special, $2,300, Long Beach, Mississippi. A rare limited edition small displacement bike, the RX-50 Midnight Special features Yamaha's iconic black and gold trim. Even as a 49cc two-stroke, it's a surprisingly fun and rev-happy machine thanks to its 5-speed manual gearbox. This one runs, shifts, and rides great, with new tires and a new battery recently installed. Collectors of miniature bikes and special edition Yamahas will appreciate just how uncommon this model is, especially in this condition. A great display piece or a lightweight toy for weekend rides. 7. 1967 BSA Chopper, $5,800, Clearwater, Florida. This freshly built BSA Chopper is not for the faint of heart. With a raked frame, extended Durfee girder front end, custom disc brakes, and a twin-carb 650 Spitfire engine, it's a true old-school custom. The seller warns that the rigid frame and unique right-side hand shifter make it suitable only for experienced riders, but for chopper fans, this bike offers a striking show-quality appearance with a clean title and local road-ready performance. A handmade vintage British custom like this is the definition of a garage standout. 8. 1978 Honda CB750K Cafe Racer, $4,750, Enterprise, Alabama. The CB750 is one of the most important motorcycles ever built, and this custom K-model cafe racer brings modern attitude to a historic platform. It features a custom paint job, LED lighting, RFY shocks, bar end mirrors, a saddleman seat, and a loud 4-into-1 exhaust system. The bike starts and runs, though it needs minor work such as front brake drag adjustment, a new starter solenoid, and some gauge bulbs. It has new tires, fresh oil, and a clean title, making it a great candidate for a rider who wants a stylish CB750 project without starting from scratch. 9. 1982 Kawasaki KZ440, $1,500, Richmond, Texas. A true budget-friendly classic, the KZ440 is simple, reliable, and easy to maintain, perfect for riders wanting an inexpensive entry into vintage ownership. With just over 21,000 miles and a clean title, it only needs light attention to get back into top shape. These bikes were commuter favorites in the 80s, offering smooth power delivery and classic Kawasaki styling. For $1,500, this is one of the most affordable running classic motorcycles currently on the U.S. market. (10) 1985 Harley-Davidson FXRP, $4,000, Tunnel Hill, Georgia. This FXRP police model is a true Harley collectible. Equipped with its original police speedometer and tach, S&S Super E carburetor and Screamin' Eagle ignition, it retains the soul of the factory service bikes used in the 1980s. It runs and rides but needs attention due to age. Old tires, surface rust, and worn cosmetics. The inside of the fuel tank looks new and all lights are functional. FXRP models have become highly desirable among Harley collectors, and finding one with a clean title for $4,000 is becoming increasingly rare. Thanks for watching Moto Market Explorer. Subscribe and join us next week for more real classic motorcycles for sale across America.